So I'm foolish about my playing video games for a long time. I can't wait, videos almost dying up and you finally change. This is my Serbian and Turkish gaming collection. So Serbian and Turkish collection basement. So get mekanizmo. Hi, what's up? It's Kidbrace Guardians and today my review about my Serbian and Turkish collection room. It's my fault about my collecting my all system setup. You can understand about my all collecting forgetfulness. So let's go. This is my tour setup on my Serbian and Turkish collection room. This is my whole vault for the whole basement. I have 4 TVs with my entertainment slash gaming TV, and 2 gaming flat screen TVs for when you play video games on your basement during a party. I cannot warn you about my playing videos for a long period of time, but I wait about playing videos always kind of second. Its all collection includes TVs for gaming and entertainment, PlayStation 5, gaming for my Yas PS5, Milron's playing on PlayStation 4, and Christian playing on Nintendo Switch. You cannot worry about my collection or playing videos for a long period of time. And also like that on Killbrace Guardians. I put a Serbian flag, Serbian flag from Amazon from the last year. Uh, Signs over here from the Philippines, and maybe a Serbian alphabet poster from Amazon and a Turkey flag. That's my favorite Turkish drama for a long for an hour. Going to select an option. All collections, my collectivity says it cannot get along. Turn on to get out ready. Includes added boxes, all complicated, it's same as. My collection about it's so much better. It's kind of games you cannot distribute about all playing videos a long period of time guaranteed. It's playing videos SDR. 4 TVs has one for entertainment slash gaming, second for gaming, third for gaming, and fourth for gaming. 4 TVs has 4 TVs and one entertainment has TVs on it. Does not matter, he's not even scared and sacrificed for a few moments. Gotta be strengths, cannot get worried. A tour guide about playing videos. This here my sister's exercise room. To do a Serbian exercise collection room like treadmills, mops, a going to a pet shelter for my cat, and I cannot worry about the pet bed and a shoe collection and a storage area for my DVDs. Cannot do that. The dish is also my bad. And something went wrong. You cannot listen and wait. You gotta get worried. So something would fail about my collection room. I cannot wait for a long enough time. All collection must be equal to Google Nest for my saying, okay Google, I'm too excited.
That's awesome. I'm glad.
Thank you, Google. I go into my clock, into my toy collection room, maybe a hanger. I cannot wait because I get an obsolete system and a Jollibee toy. He was sleeping again. So beware about my toys, but it's not forgiveness. All that mine, my Serbian and Turkish collection room. Cannot wait. Yeah, it's for myself. It's a secret ideas. It's conducted to continue about you can play video games onto the TV, uh, 4 TVs, and it has 4 gamings and one entertainment you can enjoy. Cannot wait again for a long time. If also not to treat for a long system, it's not gonna forget a long about collection by sitting down by a long periods, TV and gaming console. That's not it. Also, do not forget to play in my 4 TV arcade room. Includes that 2 flat screen TVs and 2 medium screen TVs. Meaning that TVs kind of originating from cable. That cannot miss cable like a cable was shutting down, like a Fire TV, like an Android TV. Android TV in my basement and gaming console on the devices. You cannot wait for a long period of time and cannot connect. And does not mean cable box is not going to get treated along. I have no idea. Can't wait for a long of times. Going back to the situation idea. Yusuf Yor. My friend plays on a chair, not yet so much, not to get better. Oh Jesus, I went so bad for a long period of time for forgetfulness. For TVs like games, only entertainment for watching a movie. And also, you gotta wait for a long period of time, so cannot wait for a long period of time to get so much ready, so it will get Nick. Thank you in my Serbian and Turkish collection room in my basement. So my Serbian and Turkish collection room from Serbia and Turkey, not a bird, for my watching for my Serbian TV, Turkish TV, especially series and shows and soap operas and dramas, all complicated, everything complete. Do not forget subscribe button, like, and comment. Kid Breaks Guardians. Thank you and have a nice day.